Yo, 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 welcome to the show.
What is good? I'm kind of pissed because I started the video at 4:44. Like I was like, "Yo guys, it's 4:44," but now it's 4:46 p.m. Eastern, and I had I don't know where I was going with my train of thought, so I had to restart it. So now it's 4:47. It's not as cool, but it. I mean, it is what it is, guys. It's a portfolio update. It's a Friday afternoon. We're consistently making these on a Friday afternoon now. So I will say, like, hey, if you want to subscribe and, look out for these weekly updates, definitely do that. We're going to talk about the portfolio, the performance, the buying power, the options, the crypto, some of the stocks down here. Might go in depth with some of them. Some of them I'll just brush over, especially if I haven't changed anything recently. So if you're into that kind of thing, the Roth IRA dividends, which I'll be dropping that video in about 2 weeks. June is gonna be a heavy month with dividends, so I'm very excited. We're already like past May's dividends, May's total dividends, so that's pretty nice. But anyways, this is a portfolio update, so let's get into that. On the day, we're up about $95, about 6 4. What am I even saying? About On the day we're up about $95, about 0.64%. On the week, up 1.5%, about $223. 1 month, 2.55% up, $371. 3 months we're up 4%. That's around $572. Year to date, 1.82 up and $266. And finally, 1 year, 7% in the green, and that's almost $1,000, $980. As soon as I break even, I swear I'm gonna start showing my all-time thing. But for the buying power, we're at $100, less than we had the last time, because we have a couple hundreds, honestly, tied up in options over here. We have a pending order right here for Under Armour. I was just trying to roll this. I mean, to the 750. It's better than nothing, right? It might get filled, it might not. It's sitting for now. But the next thing we have is the Under Armour option we have existing. Sold an option 750 expiring in June. That's in about a week, next week Friday. Yeah, it's not what a cent, but you can't really sell it for a cent or buy it back for a cent because they trade in increments of 5 pennies. It's just kind of weird and annoying. So that's gonna have to expire or get rolled. So either or, let's see how that goes. We got Nvidia here because I mean everyone has been seeing what Nvidia has been doing, and I thought that it was maybe time that I tried to get in on some of this. So you can see the options. We have three options here. Three of the same options. Just what is it? 145 call, which is a very very optimistic. If I let this run to expiry, I'm not planning to do that. But I mean, with Nvidia, you never know. Like it could, Nvidia could literally be trading for 145 in 2 weeks' time. Like that's over a 10% gain, and I think that's very easily doable for Nvidia. If it continues at this rate. Of course, the time I buy into the call option is just gonna start trading flat or just freaking fall. But so far so good. Up on the day. Why didn't I sell? Because I think Nvidia is just. I have faith to let this run for a few days. I think that's fine. And also, let me go through my history here. I actually did trade options on them this week. Is it gonna show all my things? I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, I was trading Nvidia from like yesterday, but it's only showing me these things right here. Let me try reloading it. My computer takes so long to load a simple page. Absolutely bonkers. All right, it's not showing up, but anyways, the if you're new here and you're not sure what's going on, it's pretty much a call option. Well, it is a call option for $145, expiring on 628. And actually, I don't really feel like getting into the technical details of this. So if you don't know what this is, just ignore it. Just skip back to like the next 10 seconds when we are just going through the portfolio again. But Nvidia has been doing so well. I mean, year to date, it's up over 100%. Of course, it would have been so nice to buy this in January, but now since the stock has split, options are more affordable for me. So I'm gonna see if I can get into it. I mean, look at this chart. This is wild, absolutely wild. Ooh, I don't even know if this is real life, but let's see if we can make some money from Nvidia. At least maybe it can help us break even. Crypto, we just got Doge, nothing to write home about. Stocks, we got Tesla, nothing's changed with Tesla, nothing with Amazon has changed. Apple, I haven't bought any more Apple, but for this video, I was going through some of the stocks, and since when was Apple trading at 212 again? Like the last time I remember seeing Apple, obviously it had its little. It's not even a month ago, where it was in the 160s. And I remember me with my call option, my 180 call, expiring, was it like May 21st? Oh, it must have been April 21st because I sold it early. And then I'm like, oh yeah, Apple is obviously going to bounce back soon, but not, I guess it did happen, but not soon enough. Apple has taken the hell off. I mean, that's why it's always good to have shares of a company because I missed the options train, but look at that total return, 38% up in Apple so far. Should it really just continuously be DCAing into Apple? But for now, I mean, I buy it every now and again, but there's other stocks that's on my radar too. We have Microsoft here. I don't think I've bought any recently, but it is coming up as something to buy. So we'll be getting some more of that. Realty income, steady buys on that. Newsy, nothing has changed. I really, really wanted to buy some more of Newsy. As you can see, we're up 4%, almost 5% in the position now. And now that we're starting to, we're green, it's like, ooh, this thing's already a dividend machine. And now we're like making capital gains too. It's like, whoa. And it's Newsy. It's like not even a company, It's not even a. It's just crazy. We got Chevron here. Nothing new there. Nothing with Coke. It seems like I have a lot of positions where I have four stocks. It's just Apple and Coke. General Mills. Nothing new. ExxonMobil, Horizon. We have Google. Their dividend payment is coming up. I peeped it. It's gonna be 19 cents because obviously we don't have the full share to get the $20, the 20 cents worth of dividend per share from Google or from Alphabet, but eventually we'll get there. I know the next time we'll be getting more than the 20 cents, assuming they don't raise their dividends. Right here we have Ford. I mean Ford. Ooh, Ford's in the shitter right now. So I picked up two shares today. Yeah, Ford's well under $12. I'm so deep in it now where buying two shares just brought me down 1 penny. But hey, it's still a movement in the needle, and I'll take it. Now my average cost is 11.97, so that's I mean now I can buy however many shares I want because it's way below that. But just steadily going into Ford, I think it can easily fall lower too. So yeah, no rush to get to 100 shares. Not in my, I mean, not right here in my taxable. Just whenever I have an extra $12, I'll pick a share up. That's really how we've been playing it. Next on the list, we have Spy. I mean, what can I say about Spy? Over almost $250 in return, over 16%. Love to see it. Home Depot. Damn, I always want to be buying more of Home Depot. I want to be buying so many things, but Home Depot really is one of them things that I want to kind of like just have a lot of. Target, we have that. Target, damn, it's been pulling. It must have been pulling back like crazy because we were up like 30% in Target like a month ago, right? I'm almost sure. Yeah, look at Target go. The last three. Let's look at the last month. Ooh, why didn't we sell at that peak? Or I don't know. Well, Target is doing what it's doing. I still do buy Target every now and again. What caused it to shoot up like that, first of all? And then now it's just pulling by. I don't know. Target is something that is on the fence to be. Now that I just put like an ounce of thought into it, like, why do I own Target? McDonald's is our next stock. Eight tenths of a share of that. We're down 7.63%. That's nice to see. I like that. We have AbbVie. We're up 3% in that position. It's a new position we started recently. I really want to start a stock position in Nvidia, but for now, I think I'm just gonna hold on to the options and see how that goes. Visa, we are, it's Visa. 1.17 shares, up 3%. We have Pepsi next. Johnson and Johnson, VTI. Johnson and Johnson, we want to get some more of this. I don't think I've ever been in the green with it, but I'll always take these like these discounted prices for sure. VTI, total stock market index, we have, or ETF, we have 10.10% returns on that so far. Waste management, still about break even for that. Smith and Wesson, SCHD. Look at that thing go. 13 shares, and we're getting some more next week. Like to see that. But it has been pulling back 2.19%. I know we were way higher in SCHD, in our returns for SCHD. So, cheaper ETF, the cheaper price to buy in at, right? We have Camping World. We have American Electric Power. Got Verizon, Stag. We have BC, Brunswick. And I think I want to be getting some more of this. They've got Spice Growth ETF, Starbucks, still in the red with that. We've got Maine. Maine is doing pretty well, no complaints with that. We have O'Reilly, one of our recurring investments, IGPT, another one, and then finally Sweet Green, another one of our recurring investments. All doing pretty well so far. Well, O'Reilly obviously is in the red. It was down a lot more, so it looks like it has been picking up. Costco is not a recurring investment, but it's one of our stocks we own. We're up 17% in Costco. Wow. Let me look at how much of a return cash wise that is, because I know half a stock of Costco is a decent penny. $67. That's crazy. Yeah, I was buying it at $732. Whoa. Now it's at $854. Costco is just a beast, and I like buying into these beastly stocks. The last one on our list, though, is IAT, which is an index fund for banks, U.S. regional banks, and it's down 4%, but I'm not stressed about it. I think, why is it down though? Because banks are doing pretty well. I don't know. I don't know. We will continue to watch it. It's such a long term play where I don't think this should be of any concern at all for anyone. So that's the portfolio. Nothing. Well, a lot of things have changed. I've added to a lot of these positions. If you want to see what positions I add to, I definitely recommend you watch my Sunday evening videos where I just talk about what I plan to buy in Robinhood. I usually sit for a few minutes, go through like my portfolio, go through ex dividend dates, and like kind of go window shopping until it comes actual time to buy it. I just create a shopping list, and if you want to stay in tune with what I buy, stay up to date with what I buy or what I plan to buy, or just be in the know of certain ex dividend dates, then feel free to check out those videos when they are released. Besides that, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably going to make a video on my Roth IRA, and then on Sunday I'll do that what am I buying type of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday and your weekend. Peace.